Hello and welcome. This video is brought to you by Taylor Happy. And this little video is about dog arthritis. Now, Taylor Happy, well, ethos, we firmly believe that a happy pet makes a happy family. And in this short video, we're going to talk about dog arthritis and a few aspects of dog arthritis. We're finding more and more these days that there are problems with dogs in reference to their joints. Now, the current stats are around about 1 in 5 dogs over the age of 7 suffers from some form of arthritis. That's just getting older, just like us humans, where as we age, we tend to get more problems with our joints. But it can also be the case of sometimes with a breed. It could be hip dysplasia. It could be due to an injury of some form. But it's about what you can do to help your dog and make their lives a little bit easier. They're an important part of our family. Now, there's things like supplements, exercises, vet care is really important. Just like us going to the doctors, dogs should go to the vet, a regular checkup, and just to make sure everything's okay. Everything might seem okay on the outside, but you never know, and it's worth getting it checked out by a professional. But there are other small differences you can make in your home to make your dog's life a little bit easier. Now, there's just a few aspects of dog arthritis. Now, one thing we're going to talk about is the modern home. Now, we're finding more and more in modern homes that a lot of them have hardwood floors. Either they've been stripped, the carpets have come off and the hardwood floors have come back to life, or it's a new house with hardwood floors, or even ceramic tiles as well in the very modern houses. And these can be quite tricky for dogs when walking around on their pads. It can be a little bit slippery. And if they do have joint problems, they really need a secure footing when walking around their house. Now, one very popular thing at the minute, available both offline in the local shop or online, if you're shopping online, are doggy socks. We've got a great picture here of a man sporting some panda-style socks, looking very dapper. Now, what this does, not just a fashion statement, it's also very effective for getting extra grip. They've got grips on the bottom of them, giving them extra support for their joint problems when walking around, whether it's the forelegs or the hind legs that have the weakness or have the problem. Those can be taken off during any kind of snooze time, but giving dogs the opportunity to move around the house a lot easier, giving them a bit of extra grip, just like us, I suppose, wearing trainers when we're walking around, getting an extra comfort on our ankles. Exactly the same with dogs, making life a little bit easier for them. Second thing is dog beds. Now, just like us humans, we all like our different style of mattress. You go to a mattress store, I think they grade them sometimes 1 to 5 or A to E. And we like different firmness, different softness. The same with dogs. No longer is it just a basket with a towel thrown in or a favorite blanket. Now these dogs' baskets also incorporate foams and even gels. So it molds to the dog's body, making it more comfortable when they sleep and helping those stiff and sore joints. Very popular and available, again, both online and also offline. Another thing you can do at home are exercises. Now, if you have got a dog that's got joint problems, maybe they're not so keen on moving around, or the very initial process of when they get up, they struggle a little bit, just like us if we've got joint problems as well. Now, there's little exercises you can do together in reference to the hind legs. What you can do a couple of times a day, if they're lying and relaxing, is just bring those hind legs up towards the stomach, back again. Do it a couple more times. Remember, any resistance or the dog seems in pain, do stop. And then again with the forelegs, bring them up towards the chin and back. Again, repeating the process. Again, any resistance, do stop. But what you're doing is just keeping those joints moving, making it a little bit easier for them when they start to move around. Now, it's also a really good bonding process for you and your dog. Makes you a little bit closer as well. Now, if we look at supplements. Now, supplements are something you can give your dog in the home. Just like us going to our pharmacist and getting some vitamins or any other kind of tablets that we take to make ourselves feel a little bit better and make sure we've got all the necessary chemicals and components in our body to make ourselves feel as best as possible. Dogs can do this well with supplements. Now, supplements are safe, effective, and all natural. The supplement that Taylor Happy has is a glucosamine extra strength liquid for dogs. Now, it contains chondroitin and MSM, as well as various amino acids. And what it does, it puts back into the body the glucosamine the dog may no longer be producing. With age, they may produce less of it. Now, we're finding that some dog owners, they're using the glucosamine for dogs that do have joint problems, but also some are using it as a preventative measure. So giving it to their dog with the aim of reducing any possible future problems. In reference to your dog, you are going to find, we're talking about a few little things in reference to dog arthritis. No matter what you try and do, it doesn't work. Now, you may buy dog socks, and the dog may look at the socks and say, no way am I going to wear those. I'm not comfortable. So what else can you do? It's about thinking outside the box. If you have got slippery floors, maybe think about putting rugs down, making it a little bit easier for them to walk around, getting a bit of extra grip. Again, you could buy the best dog bed on the market. Dog might look at it and say, there's no way in a million years I'm sleeping on it. I'm going to sleep on your bed, the sofa, just like we know dogs do. What we can find is if your dog does sleep on your bed, maybe look at some little doggy steps, just so it can get up onto the bed or up onto the sofa. May seem like quite a small jump to you, but for a dog, especially with joint problems in the hind legs, it can be quite painful. So some little doggy steps as well. But again, it's thinking outside the box and making sure you put your dog first. It's an important member of the family, and we know how much we care about them. Now, more information can be found at taylorhappy.com. And from all of us at Taylor Happy, have a wonderful day. And as we said before, happy pet, happy family.